It's opening day.
It's opening day, y'all, and it's been a long week. It's been a long several weeks, but we are here and I can't wait to show you all. We have been working non-stop and it feels really special. Today is a really special day. So we're gonna take y'all with us on the journey all day. So let's go. You're not even hearing us this far out.
On the way.
Oh, that's so
Okay.
cute.
So we just need the flowers. I've doubled the wire,
Okay.
and so it can just wrap around.
Gotcha.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is the short side.
Okay.
This is the short side for the this side, and then it'll wrap around like that.
Okay. We'll get Nigel to put a screw in so we can't do it.
But that's what you see.
Well, let's say hi. Hi. So Val just got here. We're at the cottage and Val just got here. What do you think about the cottage, Val?
It's beautiful.
You love it? This is the first time the girls are seeing it done. So we've had an amazing day so far. We have had a lot of loyal fans and customers come.
It's so pretty.
And I'm working on some labels because we have tons of new decor in the kitchen that we're pricing because we were here late last night and we didn't get it done. So we're doing that now. We'll be here till 6. We'll be here this weekend. Tomorrow we'll be here. So we're just loving it. We're loving it, y'all. And we can't wait for all of y'all to see it. I really hope y'all can come this weekend. And but it's a new journey at the cottage. Do you want to say something?
Yeah.
What?
Have a blessed day. Bye. What about page 8? I think we've all seen that. Greatest news in history. Don't be afraid. Though it seems a mystery, find the little child.
have had a very long day, but we are wrapping it up, and we had a great first day at the cottage. It was just amazing. This journey has been wonderful and amazing. From, as many of you know, we relocated and we moved out of the warehouse to consolidate and have a one-stop location. Sorry, it's my brother. I'll call him back. Just to kind of make things easier and just trying to get to a place where life is just a little more simple. So, since kind of my journey with lupus, many of you know, if you follow me, that I was diagnosed with lupus about 5 months ago, and today was really just a encouragement for me that, you know, as long as you don't give up, sometimes you might have to make adjustments, but don't give up. And God always remains faithful, and he takes care of his children. And so we're just kind of in that season right now where God is kind of just showing who he is to us. And I just want to encourage all of you that if you have a goal or you have a dream, to not give up, because today was just a testimony of not giving up. And so for those that came out and supported us and celebrated us today, thank you. For those that couldn't come or may come tomorrow, thank you. And we love all of you and can't wait to continue this journey with you. Good night. Goodbye, Daddy. Okay.